1948 Ford Super Deluxe four-door sedan for sale in St. Louis, Missouri 63141 VIN, 899A2080978. Get ready to experience a fine, elegant driving experience with this 1948 Ford Super Deluxe four-door sedan. This four-door sedan is ready to turn heads with its deep blue exterior that is complemented by an exceptionally clean gray interior, wrapped around the conservative and stately styling. Powered by a V8 engine that is mated with a manual transmission, this four-door sedan is ready to get out on the road and help you take a step back in time. With less than 50,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Ford will be providing a quality driving experience for many years to come. This 1948 Ford Super Deluxe four-door sedan comes brimming with a rich legacy. Detail, integrity, and love has been poured into every fiber of this car's being. She boasts one of the most celebrated all-original body styles of the 1940s, as well as plenty of pride and recognition. She is eager to share her legacy with someone who can appreciate the time and care that has been invested into her maintenance. This 1948 Ford Super Deluxe four-door sedan has been very well maintained. This is a must-see/drive to truly appreciate its overall value and worth. In fact, come see her for yourself. You will agree that you cannot find another 1948 Ford Super Deluxe four-door sedan in this condition for the asking price. Call today for more information on how you can experience this vehicle's rich heritage.